While mooch-docking at families in Nova Scotia, we checked out the surf at Lawrencetown Beach, we were shown a secret waterfall, and, of course, we visited the famous Peggy's Cove. Mooch-docking doesn't always go as planned, but you make it work.
Tried coming from that direction and backing in, and that didn't work. So he turned around and he backed up from this direction. Oh, wait, stop.
Our mooch-docking host is my nephew Christopher, and is the owner of Black Tuna Surfboards, which operates out of the Lawrencetown Surf Company. He makes custom, handmade surfboards.
You get a little higher, we can see that midriff.
Yeah. Oh, you can't.
You definitely don't want to see this midriff, that's for sure.
Right.
I'm here with my nephew Chris and his girlfriend Anastasia, and we're at Lawrencetown Beach Provincial Park. Take it away, Chris. Where are we?
Well, we're on top of the Lawrencetown Point headland, beside the historic McDonald House, which has featured some local businesses.
That's cold.
You're not moving.
Right now we're riding the Atlantic View Trail Salt Marsh Extension straight from Conrad Road all the way to Lawrencetown Point.
Hands on the bar, he's going to come beside you.
Coming up beside me.
There he goes. There he goes, the big man. There he is,
No
see?
hands, baby. Yeah, we're getting the report.
Oh, there he is right there.
Here.
Right on.
Peggy's Point Lighthouse is an iconic Canadian image, perhaps the most photographed in Canada. The first version was wooden, built in 1868, replaced by the current active concrete version in 1914.
There it is, Peggy's Cove Lighthouse, supposedly the most photographed lighthouse like in the world.
But I doubt there's a whole lot of photographing going on today.
It's a little foggy, can you see it? We didn't pick the best day to come out and check out a lighthouse along the Nova Scotia coast.
It's so foggy.
But we're just enjoying the Peggy's Cove Lighthouse and the scene right here. Let's just spin around a little bit here. We're right on, obviously, the Atlantic Ocean right here. Hey, honey, put the lighthouse down.
No, I'm keeping this one.
And we've got these black rocks. There's these warning signs all over the place. Staying off the black rocks because I guess they're super slippery and the ocean will suck you in.
It looks like we're on another planet right behind us.
Yeah, it's just all this granite rocks on the ocean right here. It's really kind of cool.
So the sun has come out. We're getting some gorgeous clouds now. This is the picture of the lighthouse you want.
Yeah, this is it. We've got the sun coming out from the ocean. But the bad thing is like there's 10 times
Disney.
more people. There's 10 times more people here now. So, but it is pretty awesome with the sun out. The fog is lifted. Yeah, that's touching. Yeah, that's touching. Wow.
We're scratching the bumper. That's what that was. Scratching the bumper.
Love you, dude. So fun. I love you, dude.